Look at this statement, right? This is basically the goal that I want to achieve using a tool like Jira, nothing else. And it's mostly misinterpreted, also overlooked by the agile communities. Particularly when you utter the term agile, there are quite a lot of misinterpretations in every organization that I work with, right? So you will feel the same thing, because for someone agile is just being shaky, right? Agile for someone would be changing things as you want to change, right? No discipline around it. Agile for someone is just not planning and then doing ad hoc work. So there are a lot of myths around it, right? One of the myths that I often hear from the agile experts, or agile practitioners, as well as the leaders, teams in organizations, is we really don't have to focus on Jira much, right? We really don't have to pay attention on any tools like Jira. That is a myth, right? Why I say it's a myth is I'm a big fan, I'm a big believer of true agility. And when I coach organizations, I definitely pay much more attention in getting the right agile mindset than adopting a tool. But once I establish the right mindset, the right set of practices, the next thing that I focus is the process, right? And the appropriate tools. Why we need to work on processes and tools is simply because without just enough process, without just enough tools, you're not going to be effective, right? Think about your personal perspective, right? If you think you are organized, if you know what to do when something comes up, right? If you know what to do when you have 10 priorities to tackle in one given day, how organized you would allow you to be effective. Otherwise, you're going to panic yourself, pick the wrong thing, and then everything is messed up, right? At the same time, if you do not have the most effective tool, you might spend a lot of time burning your calories figuring out how to do this, right? How exactly you can proceed. So getting the tools, appropriate tools set up, also knowing the right process, right? The process steps involved in order to get a particular work done is critical. So this is where organization fail. They either overcomplicate their processes and tools, or they don't pay enough attention on the processes and tools. So one of them, right? Mostly, most of the companies would go into one of these two extremes. So my stance is that you have to be in middle, right? In a middle position where you use the processes and tools to empower your people, right? Plus optimize collaboration. None of the processes and tools should limit them being collaborative and optimizing their interaction. So if you can use Jira, if you can strategize the use cases for Jira such a way, you're trying to empower your people, not to limit them, right? So you don't put a procedure and say, hey, you got to do this. I don't mind whether you complete the work or not. I want you to complete this procedure. Is kind of limiting them, right? If you want to put it the right way, hey guys, let's figure out the most effective way of working in Jira, do a brainstorm, agree upon what the best practices for us would be. That is empowering them, right? And also, you are not, as a project manager, let's not go to them and tell them what to do, right? Even in terms of Jira, setting up Jira, I would just suggest certain things, but I will get the buy-in from the teams, right? Such a way I want them to love what they do. I want them to feel like, okay, we are being the most effective team. We use the most effective procedures and tools, right? So using Jira, when they go into Jira, we want them to feel, well, this is the most optimal setup I have ever seen, right? No energy waste, no extra effort being put in, etc., right? one exhaustive practice that organization demand me to do at times is time track, right? Now, being agile and trying to time track is contradictory, and it doesn't help the energy that you put in to be agile and trying to mind shift from the traditional thinking to the new ways of thinking. You mix up those two priorities, and when you mix up that, what happens is you are neither achieving any of them, right? So you might fall somewhere in middle where you can't call yourself agile or traditional. Also, it's between being effective and being too much focusing on processes and tools. So again, reading this just to ensure that we get this very clearly. Use the just enough processes and tools to empower people and optimize collaboration, not to limit them. So that's the executive statement for the entire training that I would like to emphasize. This might be new in some of your cases. You might feel this is very challenging to achieve as well. However, Jira is meant for this. Jira is to facilitate this, then just minimize the collaboration as well as drain the people, right? It's intended towards empowering people.